You don't have anything for that? Wow.
Okay, take this one. It's okay. Wash it first.
Oh my God. You give me
This is English challenge.
Huh?
We cannot speak Tagalog.
Just
Oh, all right.
please.
Yeah, you speak English because I don't understand what are you talking
Oh
about.
my
you know?
God.
God.
What kind of loving is that? Ay. Nagutan tayo nito ni ate ba? Para yung itong mga...
Nabalog niya masusuka.
Aray ka.
Oy, banana cue.
Wow.
Ay, banana cue. Kabuti ko. Parang ano po. Tanggalin ko lang yung ano ba? Laman.
You know what is this, guys?
It's karuf.
It's karuf. It's
You separate the
It's-
meat in the bones, you know.
this one. I will separate this. Yeah. Sorry, I don't know.
Maparaming na naman manunod sa iyo.
Sorry, guys. We are speaking dollar because we have a visitor from
Dubae?
from Dubai. She's speaking in dollar now because she's improving herself.
Because her
What I'm gonna put here or where?
Yeah.
expat from Russia.
Asia.
That's why she needs to
Sabi.
speak English.
Yeah, it's better. Why we are
Baka pagdating natin doon, tulog na yung mga.
nakahiga nga si Milay doon. Oh, wow, that's delicious. Have cholesterol.
Cholesterol is the best.
No, it's not the best. That's not good to our health, especially to
High blood.
both of us. We are high blood, have hypertension. We need to care ourselves.
You have a hyper.
I separate this one or I'm gonna put there.
Yeah, you put it also.
Dami pala.
Yeah.
Why this is have bones? That's why I told you.
How to cut this?
That's why I told you. You separate the meat in the bones.
Okay, madam. I get it.
I explain only. I explain only. I'm not angry. Yeah.
I'm not telling you that I'm your angry. I'm just asking.
Okay. That's good.
Mag-aanohan na ka ng pag-chilid.
Aray ko. Ay, ilang minutes na ba?
But you make sure you slice same size. Yeah?
Oh my God! I'm not sure.